Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is the one and only greatness. And I am destined for greatness, ladies and gentlemen, and you are destined for greatness too. The support, man, it has been insane. I know I've been going for a month, ladies and gentlemen, but I would never give up. I'm never going to fully give up. I may take breaks on videos, but I would never fully give up. The support y'all have been giving on my last video, 1.2k views in a month. I've never done that before, so thank you to all my greatness gang. Thank you to everybody who is supporting me, supporting what I'm doing, man. The support has been insane. I know it's only up from here. So first and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. You are greatness. You're destined for greatness. We all are. Don't forget that. Second off, copy merch, grtnessbrand.com. I'm going to have a discount code for you guys this time. Go cop some merch. You know what I'm saying? Now I have a little family. Support the kid. Go to grtnessbrand.com. Follow me on Instagram. And without being said, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get into today's video. And in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be showing you how to do a Cash App withdrawal from your broker to your Cash App. And so you can put it straight to your account. You don't have to do anything else. Cash App is a Bitcoin wallet. So I need people to understand that. I'm going to show you how to make a withdrawal from Bitcoin to your Cash App. So we're going to get into that video in 3, 2, 1. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be on the phone today. Cash App is on your phone. You can also access your broker on your phone. So all you need is Cash App, which is on your phone. Your Cash App gives you a Bitcoin address, and that's where you're going to send any Bitcoin from. So you can send your Bitcoin from Coinbase, crypto.com, MetaMask. You can send your crypto from anywhere. As long as you have an address to send it to, which Cash App provides for you, you can make a withdrawal. So now we're going to hop on here. I'm going to start screen recording so you guys can see what I see live. So I am now screen recording. We're going to go to KOT Forex, which is my broker. You're going to put in your information here. Let me just refresh this. Put your information in. Two-factor authentication. So as you can see, I have a balance of $152, which I want to withdraw. I'll withdraw the whole 150. We'll withdraw 150. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you have your balance in the top right, you're going to want to withdraw. Select type, Bitcoin, wallet. You're going to do the top right wallet, which is that one. Amount to withdraw 150. With request withdrawal. This is going to be a quick video, ladies and gentlemen, so please pay attention. They're trying to give me a bonus for my account. I'm going to do no thank you. I'm going to withdraw 150. So now it's going to bring this up to where you want the address that you need to send a Bitcoin to. So now I'm going to go to my Cash App. And now that I'm on Cash App, I'm going to go to the bottom right, Bitcoin. You're going to want to view your Bitcoin address. This is my Bitcoin address, copy address. So you're copying the address and you're simply going to paste it here for withdrawal. Withdraw 150 to this Bitcoin address. I'm going to click withdraw 150. Success. And 150 is now being withdrawn. So on Cash App, ladies and gentlemen, it will take about 30 minutes to an hour before it pops up on your Cash App. When it comes to your Cash App, all you're going to want to do is sell Bitcoin to USD, and once you do that, it would appear in the bottom left where your cash balance is. So ladies and gentlemen, it's just that simple. Cash App is a Bitcoin wallet address. As long as you have a place to where you can send Bitcoin to an address, just use your Cash App address. It's going to send a Bitcoin straight there. You're going to sell your Bitcoin to cash once it comes to your Cash App, and then you will now have a balance on your Cash App from Bitcoin. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, this was a quick video. I'm just trying to get a video out there for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you for the support. It has been insane, man. I'm so excited for my channel to get monetized, to hit 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers. I can't wait to do meet and greets, live streams, and so much more coming on. If you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen, please like, comment, and subscribe. And just in case you did not know, ladies and gentlemen, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. Thank you for tuning to this video. Peace.